my life, I really believe na the only way for one person to get rich or to at least succeed is to do good in school. Kaya nga sa UP rin ako pinag-aral ng mga parents ko. And then to become a manager someday. Although, of course, that is a path. But I was not happy with that path. I was already working and parang, ganito ba to for the next 40 years? Oh my God. Now, here comes the opportunity. And then sabi niya, yung isang hindi nakapagtapos, he is earning 2 million pesos per month. And being the mukhang pera that I am, the ambisyosa mukhang pera that I am, parang nag-sparkle yung mata ko. Alam mo yung may emojis, di ba? Nag-sparkle yung mata. That happened to me and I left my CPA career. In 2010, na naging network marketer ako. So, nabaliw rin talaga ako dun sa networking. To the level na pumupunta na rin kami ng Maynila. Grabe yung mga training. But, I am really happy. The mindset shifts and the training, yun yung biggest blessing na nabigay sa akin ng network marketing na industry. I did not succeed there, not because it was not a good opportunity. I will not bash the industry kasi ang dami kong friends na yumaman doon at andun pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. It's been a decade now. Their lives have flourished, kumbaga, but it was not for me. Kasi hindi rin pwedeng tamad ka na networker. Walang yumayaman na networker na tamad. Walang yumayaman na tamad, period.